Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on notifications in the Revolut app. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the upper left corner. Next, scroll down and select Notification Settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the different alerts you can enable, like payment updates, security alerts, and spending summaries. To turn on notifications, just toggle the switches or check the boxes for the ones you want to receive. And that's it! You've successfully enabled your Revolut notifications. Now, you'll always stay updated on your transactions and account activity. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.